Here, it's okay. I'll be with my kids. Okay, okay. You ready?
Bagaimana mengikuti may pagkakasal? Translate.
Heart problem. A little. Okay. High blood pressure.
So many cold in your body.
Cold, okay.
140 lang na DJ please.
Huh?
DJ please
Canada.
Words very good.
Very cold.
Yeah, cold
It is still
country.
in your body.
Ah, okay, okay.
It is still in your body. The cold.
Yeah, it's in your back.
Okay.
Little problem.
Yeah. I have cardiology. And then I have blood pressure also. And diabetes and also. Smart to me.
Diabetic na basit.
It's a little bit hard.
English soon. Speak English.
He's translating.
No problem. Back pain?
Yeah, lower back pain. That's why I cannot sleep on the mattress, remember, on the floor.
Yeah. Lower back pain. But can you remove those sick illness?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's remove it.
Is it diagnosis today or healing already?
Healing.
Healing now or
Healing now.
Healing now?
This is the first time.
so healing now? Okay. So not diagnosis first, healing now. So you're on the process of healing.
Okay.
Ay di pasyente ko rin si Amerikano at nangalap dito UCC nga para translate. Para translate.
Patient and he had a
You look down at Tagalog, but English a little bit.
Your back pain,
minor.
iti nagtutok dito.
Your back pain has nagtutukan? Natili ng English na? Small.
Marbles mo na po.
Deposit of uric acid. That's very high. Uric acid is high in your body. Okay. He feels it. But can you remove those? Can you neutralize those uric acid?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Runahon dito.
What is it he's using? What's that?
Oil.
Just olive oil or palm oil or what is it?
This is
What's this one? Palm oil?
ano yung klase oil na rin?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut oil.
With some medicine.
He make it? He make it by himself?
No.
No.
No, how he
Kasi ano ito pinagagamit kasi?
Will ba?
they buy that one.
Medicine.
So basically, what's the ingredients? Coconut and malunggay, or what's the
Yan,
ingredients?
yung tinahin na pa ito. Coconut, ko.
You can have this.
But with this power of healing,
Mhm.
you can neutralize those bombs. You can remove all
Yeah.
with this power.
Yeah. And then he's gonna do my kids too.
If
You try.
if we find some.
After we.
No, I think there is a no, not a cheating heart. That is a good heart.
I'm shy.
Yeah. This is a good heart.
He has pneumonia, my son.
He will know.
Ah, okay.
Without saying.
Don't say. You will know.
Did you pat na?
Fat.
Yeah.
One, your pat.
Too much lechon.
Yeah.
So what's that?
Too much. I eat too much lechon. I'm just joking to make you
Niya
joke.
niya fat na.
Eh, taba.
Tapos cool. Very thick. Fat.
Yeah. Lungs also.
No.
Ah.
We'll find out later.
Just relax. Ada pimas na DJ lungs na.
There's a plane.
Phlegm.
Plane.
Yes, here.
Feet. Remove shoe or no need? I need to remove shoes? No need. No need to remove.
You have no shoes? You have sandals only?
That's what I mean. Do I need to remove my
Yeah.
sandals? No need.
Tadi connected na amin di Jayan di spinal column na Jayan ang pipen Jay. What? So I cannot relax very well then no. You sleep.
You cannot relax when you sleep because the spinal column
Yeah.
has
Ada di diferensya na
There's a problem.
Jayan iti.
iron thing.
Actually, I don't sleep well. Remember when you
Yeah,
came to my house? I said.
There's a
"Let's-"
problem in your spinal.
Ah, okay.
Yung problema yung spinal na eh.
There are so many
Uric, still uric. Your uric high is very high. So it is affected your spinal column. So you cannot relax. Initiated na kay uric nga, kano bumaba? You give him medicine, oil, for ilot. Yeah.
What's ilot?
Massage.
Massaging. Myself?
No, he will give you.
No, I mean I do by myself or
No,
something.
that oil,
But by myself, I will rub it at home.
that
Yeah.
oil.
Yeah, like that. I will do it at home.
You do not buy, there's no such thing as buying it. It's just a donation.
Okay.
Amoy parang sakit kayo miya.
How long has he been
Yeah,
there?
one
How
hour.
long has-
40 years.
40. How old are you? How young you are now?
64.
64.
It's
So
my twin.
Since you're 24, he was healing.
Yeah.
He learned by himself or some training?
According to him, he died for how many hours?
You died, and then resurrection.
He resurrected his consciousness after how many hours? 6.
7 to 6.
How did you die? How?
Because I have so many sickness. 7.
And the doctor cannot cure.
In your house, you died in your house.
And when the embalmer is already there,
Rise up.
Yeah, they rise up.
When did you become a born again Christian? When?
But yet, it's still in the process.
He's Christian?
No, it's still in the process because
Is he
he's
Catholic?
now.
Catholic?
No,
What religion is he?
Catholic, I think.
Catholic.
But becoming Christian. But becoming Christian through our influence.
How did you meet him? How you met?
He voluntarily came here because
Ah.
he said that this place,
Holy.
this place, I think I love this place. There is serenity. I like the peace. So I like this place. And he said that the spirit guided me to come here.
He's from Luna?
No, Lago. What?
Where are you from?
Lago.
Oh, you're from Agoo. Okay. But you live in Agoo or you live in Luna?
I live here. Right now.
Yeah, he spent most of his time here curing.
Oh, okay.
But his home is.
Agoo. Okay.
But I'm making that one.
That's his new Bahay. New house.
But he's complaining there's many more things needed in the
Many what?
Many requirements to
Ah,
stay there,
ah, ah.
like the bed, the cook.
Yeah. Of course he needs a bed, right? He's not
Yeah.
comfortable on the floor. Aircon? No need aircon.
No, it's not us. You cannot.
Maid to cooking. Asawa?
Died already died.
Kids, anak.
Dalawa.
2 kids.
Two men.
They here?
No, in Ago.
Grandchildren.
Ada po.
Great.
3 grandchildren.
2 children, 3 grandchildren.
2 children.
And 3
3
grandchildren.
grand.
Bawasan na dito. Rice.
Little rice. Reduce.
Hmm?
Reduce.
My rice.
I think
Too much carbohydrates.
Yeah.
Reduce.
Eat basmati rice.
Rice.
Eat
No more rice. What about red rice?
Okay.
Basmati rice.
Yeah. Okay.
But no white rice.
Healthy rice.
No white rice. They know that already. They always eating red rice. He says the same thing, see? Eat red rice. He says red rice, okay.
Red rice.
What? Huh? Red rice? Red rice is healthy.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's
It's okay now.
Okay. I'm okay
Yeah,
now.
okay.
I'm
ano
healed.
walk ko na.
Walk.
Walk.
Just walk.
But I want to listen. I want to
And
listen.
Yeah.
you try it like that.
Ah,
You
bend,
bend.
bend ka na,
You
bend.
bend.
Like this.
There is improvement.
Jumping jacks.
No,
Push-ups.
Just bend.
Oh, it's very good.
You feel good?
Yeah, I
Better
feel
now?
good. Good.
Better now?
Good. Very good. Yeah.
Better now?
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
What?
And next is the children.
You were before you were like,
You try.
my back hurts.
Yeah. I want to listen to them, to their
Sige, pakinggan na ka na,
diagnosis.
pakinggan na.
I want to listen because I'm their father, so I want to listen.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you're first. First patient. I will go ahead. What happened? You want me to make the video?
It's still ongoing.
Okay.
Yeah, video.
I make the video. Okay.
Lungs?
Lungs, wow. Smart.
Lungs?
He has pneumonia sometimes.
Pneumonia.
Yeah. Sometimes he had before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many
I was
times?
very sick.
How many times you had
But
pneumonia?
high allergic.
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 Yeah.
Very prone to allergy.
He missed school. How many days you missed school? Remember when you had pneumonia? How many days? 1 week? You.
Yeah. But we were in Manila.
Yeah, but he didn't miss school.
When I had pneumonia, I was like 10. I mean, like, yeah, 1 week.
Okay.
How about this kid?
This is Ryan.
Now what's this?
You ask him. After.
Santol mo ito pa na din. Panaguro nga kat ko ang ipamit ko man. Naranaw mo din na.
Canadian?
Canadian.
They are Canadian friend.
Your sister's husband.
I like to make her to invite her to come.
Just
Where is she? Which part of Canada?
Ada itik ko na di lungs number lang.
I'm here in
Same. Lungs.
Which barangay?
Lungs.
Which barangay?
Kalyawan.
Kaliwan. Okay.
Lungs
Okay.
also.
I give me her. Sure. Number. Sure. Messenger. Give messenger.
Bumatay.
Bumatay also. Bumatay. Same. Bumatay family. You're the
Same.
owner of the resort.
Hindi.
Lungs.
Lungs also. Bumatay Beach Resort.
Oh, ni Blanchita.
Blanchita.
Bumatay beach.
His wife. Your wife's brother is in Canada.
Sister.
Your sister.
Cousin.
Ah, okay. But now they live here? Okay, I can meet them. I'll give you my number after. Yeah. I'll give you my phone number. I want to stay in his resort, Bumatay. Nalvo. Bumatay Beach Resort.
Jay and the Osio sayang. How about the girl?
Mawis na ito.
Lamig isla.
Cold.
Cold? Her body temperature?
Yeah.
But basically healthy.
Yeah.
Okay.
The body is cold. This one is the lungs.
Lungs.
Yeah,
Lung
I
issue.
see your it's okay. No, I won't fight
No problem.
The main issue is lung, and cold.
Yeah.
What should we do about the cold? If it's cold,
Hindi
what should
talaga
we do?
maganda. Hindi cold. Digos. Oil.
Yeah. Afterward, then I will give it to you.
And then,
What do you think?
how about for the lungs? What should we do? Just healing.
No, the medicine.
Medicine.
Others.
Rianne, can you stand up? Give me the bag because she has back, her back. Can you stand up? Can you check her back, her posture? Can you give me this? Her posture is like always like this.
Nakakubo ka na yun, ano? Nakakubo. Niya ti kagko ko si kubo na.
Wait.
The coldness.
Let me-
The coldness.
Huh?
The coldness.
Scoliosis.
Yeah.
Scoliosis?
Can you check? Can you check though?
Scoliosis?
Can you confirm?
Come here, I use it down first.
Because she has always curved back.
In this part.
Huh?
In this part.
What?
Yeah, in
What?
this part.
So how can we heal it? We can heal it.
You heal in 3 times.
How?
He will come here.
Come here for 3 times.
And
He will heal.
because she's always like this, so that means scoliosis.
Yeah.
But what did you say? Brace.
No.
Okay.
No problem in the internal organ, no problem.
problem.
Only the back issue.
Yeah.
He asked question about something here. What's wrong? What's wrong?
This. I have it here.
What's
Where?
that?
Messi.
Bump?
What happened?
I don't know.
What is it? Is it paining?
Yeah.
Is it painful?
Both of them?
No, it's not painful,
Not painful.
but it's like that.
Oh, okay, that's normal. That's part of growing. So, if
So
you,
basically, her is the back,
Yeah.
and them is the lungs, and me is nothing because I'm healed. I'm healed, so I have no problem now. Healing.
Isuna. Hindi ko ay pneumonia na.
pneumonia,
Yeah.
nakaro,
Di allergic na very high.
very high in energy, very prone to allergy.
Gusto nga avoid the aswat.
The smoke, the gas.
Do you feel allergic? Like, for example, coughing or sneezing in the bad air?
Yeah.
And what else? With food? Food allergy or no?
No. In smoke only.
No food.
Smoke, dust.
No food allergy.
No food.
Okay.
So,
That's all?
Dahil ito yung agas na tayo.
this is one for the bunso.
I don't understand. They're gonna give it to me.
No, this one.
I have to pay for the medicine.
This one is yours. This one is yours.
Are they the same or different?
What? How are they going to apply? Where? Lungs? Back. Only back. Every.
Back.
Back.
And
Every. Before sleeping or morning or sleeping?
I don't know. You ask him, I don't know.
Before sleeping.
How much is one bottle? How much?
No, it's donation.
Okay, but they can share or they should have their own
No,
bottle?
his own
Own bottle.
Own bottle.
But is it different or inside the same?
Para-paras na ba karga?
Yeah.
Inside is same or different?
Yeah. You can mix.
This is the difference.
Different one. Art. It's different inside. So she only,
How about?
yeah, what about for me? It's only the back. She does only the back.
No, yours is.
No, her.
Yeah.
Back, and then they do the lung
Lungs.
only lung. And me?
But they apply at the back. They
Okay.
apply.
You put in your back.
Even
Renzo, you
at the
put on
back.
him, and he put on you.
Before
Okay.
sleeping. Before sleeping.
Okay. What else?
How about?
Ito,
What's it?
For
it is used for back. This
Back,
This is your
back, and then
Back.
yeah, back,
Yeah.
and then
And this
small one,
back.
back and
And this one in your
chest, heart. So I just with my finger and then like this with my finger.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
how about the back?
Little bit. So how many minutes? How many minutes?
or 2 minutes only.
Like this, 2 minutes.
Before
Okay.
sleeping.
Only one time a day.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 minutes.
That's all. This one is for
Breast.
breast, chest, and heart.
And this one is back.
Back,
and
back.
your-
Okay.
Ini.
Okay.
Dahil ito, importante ko naman.
This is me. This means 25 pesos. 25.
No. 25 number.
Number. I thought 25 pesos.
That's
Medicine.
I give donation. Okay. That's all. Any? That's finished. Okay. Okay. Ready, guys?
So we'll go to another patient.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, can you get some money? Can you give her your money? Okay, good. You guys good?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. This is Living Word of God, Healing Church, and then they're doing the healing again with the people. Wait. Healing.
This is, I think, the third session. May kaman ng session? Third session. Pare. Ikaw lagi po ito kinuha. I-message mo din Joy.
But that is the second time ko na.
Second time.
Yeah, second time to come here.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yeah. What's your name again? I will just have the video. What's your name?
Buyit Villanueva.
And if someone wants to be healed by you, they have your phone number?
Yeah.
What's your phone number, you said?
0929-8746-472.
And do you have Facebook Messenger?
No, none.
Only for phone?
Phone only.
Text?
Through the living word of God.
Okay. Thank you.